Goemkarponn. Today, 19th August 2025, is the 99th birth anniversary of the former MLA and minister from Margao, the late Madganvcho Naik, lovingly and popularly known as Babu Naik. On this auspicious day, the Madganvcho Awaaz, a spirited young organization of the youth of Margao, actively dedicated since long to take up, solve and seek further solution of crucial issues faced by the people of Margao, now wish to launch their logo for their more effective and contact and identification and purpose. I commend their endeavor and spirit, and while wishing them complete success in this endeavor, I have great pleasure in releasing their logo today and also blessing their venture, and I thank them for this opportunity. Thank you. To be effective, bond with the people, be accountable, create a legacy, and remember how you want to be remembered. Work without begrudging your life. Remember, imbibe and teach this triple truth to all. A generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which sustain and renew humanity according to Buddha.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.